fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Don't forget to smile. Have a nice day.
Every morning, tell yourself, today is going to be a good day. Positivity attracts positivity, like a magnet. The brighter we shine, the more good things we attract.
We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me, like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. Hey, it's me. Hey, it's me.
Coming up next. Coming up next. Coming up next. It's coming up next. Coming up next. Half inch, twist, put a little hole in there 4 times. Half inch, twist. Four, any color, but I want white. Middle, insert, pull it tight, fix it right, grab it in the middle, make it even, and go around. Go around there. Twist. Just like a petal. See? Compare. Like that. And just make a petal. Wrap. Fix it. Adjust it. Adjust as much you can. Need one more. All you gotta do is glue it together. Okay? Make it flat more and fatter. And just glue it. Need 5 of those or 4. Just a petal gonna be like this, okay? Okay. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. Have a wonderful dreams. Bye. Coming up next. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Darling Workshop. It's Tuesday, April 8th. Time check is 9:10 a.m. So good morning. I'm just making another bird. I'm going to hook this to the flower of tulips, okay? See what we got after this. But right now, I'm trying to put, not trying, but I'm going to put this wings on the back. See how they shape like a petals? Because I'm going to mix it up with the petals flower of tulips. We will see what happens, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to put the glue on the corner, and then I hook sideways first, like that, sideways. See, same thing right here, it's sideways, like that, okay? I'm just gonna put this, a dot of glue, and hold it like that, and sideways. This is coming up next, okay? You know me, I also make impossible project, but then again, it turns really amazing. Okay, amazing that I did it. Okay, so after you put the side in here, I'm gonna put this on top like this. On top right there, evenly, the way I put on the side way, evenly, okay? So this is coming up, so we just need a stronger, more glue, and just press it like that. A few seconds of press it. It's nothing impossible for you not to do it. I mean, I do impossible project, but then again, it turned right, okay? There we go. This is gonna be look like the bird. So, going to do same thing in the middle right there. See how pretty it is? There we go. You just arrange it a little bit. So 4 is good, okay? 4 of this one here is good. See, this is gonna be the tail, okay? All right, I'll see you in another when I make the wings. Okay, bye-bye for now. Hello, I'm back. So I'm making the wings, okay? The bird is just like flying while getting the nectar on the buds of flowers. Usually they get the taste on the buds, okay? So I'm just grabbing one and make sure they evenly, and I put like that, this one here like flying. Isn't that neat or what? So just same glue. Okay. Alright. Burn me just like this. It's like the bird is flying. Okay. Same thing the other side. Oh, what's out? This thing gonna bite you. I mean the biggest. Yeah. To get the same size. Same size, yes. Okay, just glue it like that. And glue it like this. And you adjust it later so it looks like it's gonna fly. And glue it like that. You adjust the wings. Okay, see? And then just keep going on the other side. Oh, keep burning me. No, I keep burning myself, LOL. Same size. You put the left side and then you follow with the right side. That way you don't get lost or confusing, okay? That. I know I make an impossible project. It's on my mind, but it turned out okay. And that's the only way you discover if you're really a creator. You discover things, new things every day. That. I call this bird a hummingbird, you know, those little birds that fly quick and get the nectar from the buds of the flower. B-U-D, I think. Bud. Quack. No. Tweet, tweet, tweet. LOL. See? It's like it's flying. Okay. So we filled it up over here. And this is how I made this, okay? I'm going to show you. Bend it, squeeze it. You bend it right there. Flatten it. And smooth it with a lighter. And then voila, there we go. Okay? So we're going to put more on this. And then next time I'm going to make the bud. Like that. And one more. This is coming up next. There you go. There you go. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wings. Okay, make 10. 5 in the left and 5 in the right. There you go. And then I'm just gonna make a little wings over here and put the eyes, and then I hook it up together. Okay. Thank you for watching right now, and I'll see you in a little bit. Bye bye for now.